Hari Om. Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. Today we will learn mandala design in Vector Ink app. Here you can see few mandala designs which I have made using this Vector Ink app. I am going to use two methods to create these mandala designs. One method is using the distribute tool, which is a premium tool here, and another method I will use the rotate tool, which is there in the free version also. So let's start using the first method. Select a circle, tap these two tools, constraint and scale from the center. Select it, make it 400 pixels. Tap over here, close 400 pixels. Now we can see 400 by 400. Let's bring it in the center, align to the center like this. So our mandala design will be formed around this circle. Now we'll take another circle, draw something like this. Any pattern can be drawn. Now go to this, tap on this point, go to this and make it straight. So this pattern I have made. I will make copy of this and drag it down like this. So this one pattern I am making. You can make your own favorite pattern and then you circulate that particular pattern around a central point. So we are going to keep it here, align to center. Then we will go to the distribute tool. Now you bring the center point to the center of this circle. We can increase the number of, see, this is the around the point. We have to select this from the center and then increase the number of copies. We can see this particular pattern is formed. Go to this option and then group this. Here is the group option. So we have grouped these copies. So once we group these copies, the vectoring app moves very smoothly. Now we will make the one copy of this particular thing. Copy, then select this and this and reduce the size like this. You can rotate like this also as per your liking. We will remove this circle. I think this has got distorted. We will delete this. We'll use this. Make one more copy of this. Copy. Tap on this scale to center and then reduce the size like this. I think this is getting distorted also. So better way to reduce the size is, let's make one more copy, is using this tool. Once you make a copy, select this transform tool and reduce the size. See to it this is closed, lock is closed. then it does not get distorted. So here we can see it is 261. We will make it 260 by 260. Close this. Bring it to the center like this. So we have created one pattern like this. You can create other patterns also, whatever you like. You can use these tools to make patterns. We can add colors, something like this. So I will use that tool again. I will bring this point to the center of this circle. Now you can see, you can increase the number of these different objects like this. So in this way, you can create your own favorite pattern. Once it is done, tap on this or tap on this like this, and then don't forget to group it. Here is the group in the object section. So like this, you can create mandala design. Now I will show you the other method of creating mandala. Let's delete all this. Again we will draw a circle, 400 pixel circle. Let's bring it in the center. Now we will draw something over here. So this is one structure I have drawn. I will bring it in the center. Okay, so let's draw something better. Okay, so we will use this teardrop only. We will reduce the transparency. Okay, let's bring it in the center again. Now we will flip it. We will make a copy of this and we will go to this object tool and we will flip it upside down. Once we have flipped it, we will bring it down over here. Okay, now we are having two copies. We will select these two copies, make copy, then again use these two tools. And then rotate. Let's rotate like this. We will make copies of this. We will remove this circle now. Copies. and then rotate. Copies and then rotate. Like this we can make mandala design. You can use your own favorite shapes and then rotate them like this. We will select all this. We will make group of this. Then we will make a copy of this and we will reduce its size using this tool. We will reduce this time. Here we can see we can make one more copy of this and reduce its size. We can bring it in the center. Like this, you can create your favorite mandala design. Thank you for watching Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Please subscribe the channel to learn more different tools from the Vector Ink app. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.